Hi, I'm Jess from Iconic Credit Services. We believe everyone deserves the chance to take out a mortgage, get a loan to start a business, or just enjoy the convenience of having a credit card. Unfortunately, many people are held back by details in their credit reports. When that happens, it can feel like your past is defining your future, but it doesn't have to be that way. At Iconic Credit Services, we have experts on hand waiting to guide you toward a stronger credit score. In fact, our credit report specialists have more than 2 decades of experience helping people in your position to better their lives. We work by carefully assessing each client's credit reports, then vigorously challenging any false or inaccurate entries that don't reflect the true circumstances. Our 3 credit repair programs make it simple to choose the best path forward, and each is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. To get started, simply visit www.iconiccreditservices.com or call our specialists at 800-854-8363. We look forward to working with you and helping you to get your life back on track. It is more than great, it is iconic.